Page 6, Pretty Little Kitty. At the top of the page, introducing you to a new time signature. So we've had 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4 so far. And this is a C, the letter C. It appears at the beginning of the staff. You can see it in the music here on pages 6 and 7 at the bottom of the pages. The C, that's a time signature. And it stands for common time. And that stands for 4/4 time. 4/4 time is probably the most common time signature there is anyway. Just a long time ago, because music has evolved, music notation has evolved and changed over the hundreds of years. Long time ago, they used the C, they didn't use the numbers. It was C. And then they started using numbers, and C, you don't see it so much anymore. And some people will try and say, well, the C is not exactly the same as 4/4. But as far as I'm concerned, they're exactly the same, close enough. As long as you know what it's called, common time, and you understand what it means. It's the same as 4/4 time signature. So let's look at this kitty thing and see what it's up to. About a line and a half long, treble and bass clef, no sharps or flats in the key signature, so we're in the key is C major, and it's in common time, or 4/4 time. I see quarter notes, whole notes, and half notes. Think we can handle that. The hands are playing at the same time, so I'm going to take each hand, one hand at a time first, and then I'll try to put the hands together. Starting with the right hand at the beginning, it's third finger on the E. And I trust you know the names of these notes in the music instantly by now. It's really important. So E here. And it's just here. And then you have a half rest, which is 2 counts, and then the second line, half notes. And then you do that some more. Okay. Left hand, it starts a little finger here, and that puts you in this position. C position here. Whole note, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, because we got a half rest. Second line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. This is fun. Well, let's put the hands together then. See what happens. You're here and here, C position, and here, you're going to hold the whole note down now. And then here, these two. And then both hands rest for 2 beats, and then you're here, and here. These notes together, and then you do it again. Well, you put the hands together. And then go back through it and get rid of any hesitation so it's a steady beat. At any speed you choose, I don't care, but a steady beat. Then we'll think about the interpretation a little bit. I start with the natural accents. In common time, it's the same as 4/4 time, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like so, yeah. I exaggerated so you can hear it better, but really you just feel them. And the left hand, it's only playing on the natural accents, so it's fine. It's the right hand. And then we can think about the phrasing, the musical sentences. Well, a lot of times in music, the musical sentences are set up for you. Like here, they put in rests in the second measure. Well, that's the end of a sentence. You have to rest, you have to lift up. So that's fine. And then going on, here, there's no rest or anything, so after the whole note, I'm going to lift up. It's like taking a breath. And so we got the phrasing. So it's like we got 4 musical sentences here, and each one is like 2 measures long. That's fine. Then, on top of all that, let's just to keep adding, so okay, bring out the melody. The melody here is in the right hand. We want to hear the melody. It's what it's all about. Everything else is backup, background. So this, play this where you want it, however loud or soft you want it. You don't have to play it loud, just play it. This in the right, in the left hand, very light, very soft here. melody. Now please don't copy me. You read it, you feel it, you get into the music, and you make it yours. Now one caution I want to mention here is like in the second measure here, when you have that rest, make sure you hold the second beat out a full beat. Remember, a beat lasts until the next beat starts. So beat 3 is where the rest starts. So beat 2, 1, 2, 3. It comes up on beat 3. Don't go and cut them short because you got a rest coming. No, hold it down until beat 3. 1, 2, 3. Now when you speed it up, it's not so easy to hear, but 1, 2, 3. Just make sure you hold that second beat out a full beat. Don't cut it short. Let's play this together slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. I'm going to play both hands about the same. I'm not going to bring out the melody. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest, rest. 2, 4, 2, 3, 4. Rest, rest.